Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to PeopleForce. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in PeopleForce you can create new candidates and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, we select the system from where we want to receive new data. In this case, we select Google Lead Form. Now select the service where you want to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form. In this case, select PeopleForce, Add Candidate. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new data from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Assets section and select Lead Form. Now we need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Go to Other Data Integration Options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After this, you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After that, click Save and return to the Save My Leads system. At this stage, you need to connect your PeopleForce account to the Save My Leads service. In this window, you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your PeopleForce personal account. Then go to Settings. Find the API Keys section. Click Generate. Specify a name for the new key. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Now, you see the PeopleForce fields for creating a new candidate. You can assign variables from the Google Lead Form to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When the required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to PeopleForce in the form of new candidates for each new lead from the Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to PeopleForce. After successful submission, go to PeopleForce and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from Google Lead Form to be instantly transferred to PeopleForce in the form of new candidates, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.